All right, y'all. This video, we got this huge locust log. And this thing is pretty freaking big. It's about 12 foot long right here. I think it's about 30 inches wide. We'll get it measured over by the sawmill once we get over there. But this thing is it's too big to pick up with the tractor. We barely even got it off the trailer. Getting it off the trailer, we had to hook it up to the tractor and just drive away with the trailer because we couldn't even pick it up. But yeah, so the tractor does wheelies and stuff when you try to pick it up. So what I'm gonna do here is we got this stupid big chainsaw here. Take this chainsaw, try to get a nice cut, nice square cut with the chainsaw, which is gonna be tough. Right down the middle, cut it in half, and then I'm hoping the tractor can pick that up. Because this locust wood, they say it's about like hickory, as far as you know how dense and hard it is. So it's heavy stuff, and it's a big log. To help me with the cut, I got this little thing that we had a while back for putting in cabinets. It's maybe not going to help as much as I thought it would. You can kind of see that laser. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. You can see the laser right there. Well, yeah, you see the laser right there. I saw a video of a guy using one of these to help him cut it, and it looked like it helped him, but I can hardly see it out here, so I don't think it's going to be that much help actually. But we're going to do the best we can. Hopefully we don't waste any wood cutting it in half. And you look right here, it's got some freaking chainsaw marks in it, which is a shame. What happened with that is these logs were sitting on a job site, and they set them aside for me. And then some guy that didn't get the memo, I guess, saw it over there and he was like, "Oh, free firewood, I'm gonna go cut this up." And he started cutting it up, got a few cuts in it. He's gonna cut it and then flip it over. Got a few cuts in it before they told him, like, "Hey, they're saving that wood." So lost a couple foot right there, but it's only, you know, it's only on the one side. So I'm thinking I can cut these pieces out of it and keep this thing, so we'll have at least a few slabs that are real long. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan with it. Hope I don't screw anything up, cut my leg off or anything like that. So hope y'all enjoy. All right, I got some, I try to get a chalk line on there. Get that thing straight. Which, looking at it now, looks like it kind of curves off there a little bit. Gotta fix that. But I tried popping it and it doesn't really even leave a mark on there. So I'm gonna hit it with some spray paint. got her on the sawmill. As you can see, we did pretty good on that cut because it's almost sitting perfectly flat on there. Got a little bit of space on this side. But this stuff's so freaking heavy. I don't think it's going anywhere. I don't even think I gotta strap it down. We'll see. Got a fresh blade on there. Gonna just start getting some slabs out of it. Alright, first cut did not go so great. Look at that. Blade jumped up on me. Gotta have it so wide so it can clear this thing. I was thinking this thing would add a lot of character, you know. But it turns out it's just a hollow. Look at all that dirt in there. I mean, that's crazy. Look at that. It's got like walnuts or something in there. A whole bunch of crap. Probably been in there for a long time now. Yeah, so that blade's probably already dull from going through all that crap. Yeah, geez. Yeah, I was hoping this thing would, you know, be some nice character, but it really is kind of just in the way. But we're gonna keep going. You can see all, I mean, this thing is filled with crap, and there's so much freaking dirt in here. And you saw that pile of dirt. I think that killed my blade because it's going just crazy slow. So I'm thinking just go and put a new blade on there. I hate to mess up this big log using a dull blade, you know. So yeah, we'll just go and switch the blade out. Alright, we finally made it into the good stuff. So, dump some water on it. Now that's nice. That's real nice. But this right here, I think this is all dead crap. Yeah, that crap is dead. Where that weird color is. Still good stuff. Lots of work, but we got this half done, and that is quality stuff. Yeah, real quality stuff. Make some good furniture out of that. Just gotta move it over to the kiln, get it dried, wait a couple months, be ready to go with it.